I do have other kitchen appliances that I need to use.
Like blender,
microwave oven, and it's all inside here. And then all this is from Excel Hardware, which is very cool.
It's a pull-out rack lah.
Yes, it's a pull-out rack.
It's so sturdy to hold such a heavy
item, right?
Yeah.
So for microwave oven, let's say why I like this rack, right? It's because if it's not a rack, it's like a shelving, right? If I want to take out the microwave, it's quite difficult because I don't have a lot of countertop space, correct. So I need to go in and let carry it out.
Right.
But this one, no, bro.
It's just like you pull out.
Pull it out, man.
Just so you all know, Excel Hardware, there's pirated versions out there. So make sure you all buy from the right place because if it's the pirated version, it probably when you pull out, cannot take the weight, right?
Oh, serious?
Yeah, so 一分钱一分货. Go buy from the correct source.
Right.
Go to their website. Okay, we will put in our description box to make sure you are getting the real original one.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, here also got this one, right?
Yeah,
exactly
this one
same
also
as my
Excel.
house.
The thing is, right, I'll have to be very, very honest because I don't do a lot of washing.
Right, you don't do any housework.
No, I do a little bit.
Okay,
I got press the app for the vacuum before.
Wow, 辛苦你了，辛苦你了。Wow, so tough. What a tough job, man. What a tough job. So this thing, right, when you press, right, it actually changed the resistance power. So like if it's very heavy, right, you see just now your one was a lot slower, right?
Yes.
Because you already adjusted for very heavy load.
Then this one?
But this one is for lighter, so if you got a lot of things, right, then you press out.
If you got a lot of things, you press it out.
Then you press out, then 它不会这样慢. This small thing, right, is a quality of life thing. They even go consider this type of thing.
Yeah. Actually, it's very good. This is really damn useful.